Let me ask you something. What if your websites could have their very own chat support staff that's available 24/7 and can interact with your visitors and get their questions answered, all while helping you generate more sales? And what if I told you that you can do all that without hiring staff, virtual agents, or shelling out big bucks for sophisticated platforms? Like what most Fortune 500 companies are doing right now. Better yet, what if I told you that you can have them working on any website, even websites that aren't yours, so you can get more leads and sales from other sites' content? And on top of all that, what if I told you that you can do it all and much more using a state-of-the-art app that costs less than a dinner for two at a decent restaurant? Would you be interested? Hi there, this is Paul Pana. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to our latest cutting-edge app that incorporates artificial intelligence, next-generation 3D animation technology, and the industry-leading text-to-speech tech innovations that have made our top-selling apps world famous and the best sellers throughout the world across multiple platforms, serving over 50,000 customers in just the last 2 years alone. Then, I'll also show you how you can harness its awesome capabilities to grab your visitors' attention, get their questions answered, and guide them into your sales funnels faster and easier than ever before. But that's not all. You'll also learn how you can dramatically reduce the time you're spending on customer emails or even those pesky phone calls or Skype calls to close more sales, handle support issues, and a whole lot more, completely automated. And while boosting engagement, reducing bounce rates, getting more leads into your funnel, and more importantly, earning more profit for you. And you better hang on because that's just a glimpse of what you're about to see. Get ready for ChatterPal.
Hi, I'm Laura. I'm one of the many lifelike 3D avatars included inside ChatterPal. I'm going to give you a tour and show you some of the powerful features. ChatterPal is your very own fully interactive artificial intelligence-powered chat agent system. It will communicate with your visitors and walk them through an entire interactive sales process from start to finish. ChatterPal incorporates all of the latest and greatest innovations in chatbot, AI, and animation technology, and integrates it with our powerful lifelike text-to-speech that features over 100 voices and accents, and an onboard translation engine which now supports over 25 languages. So you can instantly translate from any language to any other language with just a click, resulting in a full-featured powerhouse that's super easy to use. Now you can net more leads and sales from your existing traffic without increasing your workload or ad spends. What's even more amazing is that you can utilize ChatterPal to get leads and sales from other sites that aren't even yours by leveraging our exclusive live link technology. Paul and his team spent the last 2 years developing ChatterPal, so marketers like you gain yet another solid edge over the competition. Consider it your latest secret weapon to win the battle against high bounce rates, increasing shopping cart abandonments, and declining leads and sales. Look, it's been proven time and time again. The longer you keep visitors on your site, the higher the chances of converting them into qualified leads at the very least. And we all know that the old school ways of keeping visitors engaged just don't deliver results the way they used to. The painful reality is that when it comes to getting quality leads and buyers, it's tougher than ever these days. Engagement strategies like autoplay videos, which by the way Google Chrome now blocks, pop-ups, overlays, and other strategies just don't do the job. On the flip side of that, it's been proven that chatbots not only work, but if used properly, they help improve user experience, boost engagement, and increase customer satisfaction, as well as sales. So imagine having your own fully branded and personalized AI-powered chatbot avatar, like me, interacting with your visitors. Then imagine what that can do for your business. With a ChatterPal agent on the job, you'll get more leads, subscribers, and sales easier than ever before. How? By utilizing our unique AI-powered chat flow technology, which takes your visitors from point A to point C of your entire sales or subscription process in a fun and intuitive way. How it works is based on a simple but powerful premise. If you can get more engagement from your visitors and guide them into taking actions toward your desired ultimate goal, you'll get better results. In fact, we guarantee you'll get better results. Oh, and here's something else that's really cool. With our revolutionary new logo mapping technology, a market first, you can easily brand your chat avatar with your site or company logo like this, giving you another awesome way to establish your brand in your niche. With our super easy-to-use dashboard and chat flow editor, you can give your avatar the custom look and voice that you want. And setup only takes a few minutes, with no technical skills or knowledge required whatsoever. Just follow a few easy steps, select and customize the chat flow using one of our pre-written templates, or write it yourself. Select a few options and you're good to go. Now, let me introduce you to Dave to tell you more.
Thanks, Laura. I'll be taking over from here. ChatterPal can help guide your visitors, leads, and customers through an entire sales process on any website or e-commerce store from start to finish. It can also help your visitors get the answers they need and find exactly what they're looking for on your site, quickly and easily. And you can get it all up and running within a matter of minutes. ChatterPal runs on Google's super fast and secure cloud network. You can easily access it from any computer or mobile device on any browser. It's loaded with tons of features and capabilities that until now have only been available to companies with big budgets. You get the incredible power of chatbot automation, AI, our world-famous 3D avatar tech, as well as our cutting-edge text-to-speech and instant translation technologies, and a whole lot more, all in one easy-to-use app. Even better, with our game-changing lifelike technology, you can harness the power of ChatterPal to get leads and buyers by simply showcasing content on other high-traffic sites with no sites or landing pages of your own needed. Pretty awesome, huh? Now, once you have your chat flow and avatar configured, ChatterPal does the rest. You can change or update your avatar and chat flows anytime on the fly. Create your own custom-branded avatars, even animal avatars, in a snap. ChatterPal enables you to guide visitors into your sales funnel or convert them into fully qualified leads for your product or service. You can even utilize it to help close sales on your e-com stores or set appointments for your brick-and-mortar business. The possibilities are endless. Entice your visitors with a coupon, promo code, or special discount to help close a sale. Or get them on your list by offering a free giveaway that's tailored just for them. Best of all, without even needing an opt-in page. All your visitors do is reply with their email address via the chat, and you can add them to your list in a snap. And hang on, because there's more coming up.
Hey there, I'm Jessica. I'll be showing you around a bit more. With ChatterPal, you can even use live human actors on green screen to be your chat agents. Upload any green screen spokesperson video and instantly turn it into your very own interactive chat agent with invisible background. You can also record yourself in any green or white background and turn yourself into a chat agent within minutes. It's that easy. You can use any of our customizable avatars with either a pre-recorded voice track or our text-to-speech technology, whatever you want. Set up a chatbot that's just right for you and your brand. You get a huge selection of our latest generation 3D animated human and animal avatar characters, all equipped with our instant lip sync technology. Want to use your own voice or an actor's voice? It lets you record your own voice or upload an audio track to the editor. And then it trains your avatar's lip movements to properly sync to it, so the avatar's speech flows naturally. No other app on the market can do this. With our text-to-speech technology, you get total control over the voice, gender, language, and even accents. In a single click, you can have your avatar speaking in any language, giving you truly global reach. Here are just some examples. This is the same cutting-edge voice technology that powers Google Home and Amazon Alexa.
ChatterPal incluye el mejor motor de texto a voz del mundo. Puede crear agentes de chat ilimitados en cualquier idioma y en minutos para vender más sus servicios en todo el mundo.
Avec ChatterPal, vous pouvez offrir des remises, des bons de réduction, des agendas, prendre les commandes des clients, offrir un service clientèle et bien d'autres choses encore pour dynamiser instantanément les conversions et les ventes sur n'importe quel site.
ChatterPal beinhaltet die umfassenden kommerziellen Rechte. Sie können die Software verwenden, um Chat-Agent-Dienstleistungen an Unternehmensinhaber auf der ganzen Welt zu verkaufen. Sie zahlen nie monatliche oder jährliche Gebühren und erhalten somit 100% Gewinn.
Você está recebendo acesso a recursos avançados da indústria de ponta, como sincronização labial, tradução em um clique, avatares animados em 3D, automação de bate-papo inteligente, mapeamento de logotipo e muito mais, pelo preço baixo que você vê nesta página.
With ChatterPal, it's never been easier to have an attention-getting, AI-powered sales or support agent working on any site you want, even on sites you don't own. With our easy step-by-step training and pre-written templates, you'll have it up and running in minutes. Guaranteed. Oh, and probably the coolest thing about ChatterPal is its incredible AI-powered smart analytics technology. This is our onboard AI-powered analytics engine that's self-learning. One of my fellow avatars will tell you all about it a bit later down this page, after this video is done in a few more minutes. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. And remember, you also get a commercial license. So you'll be able to install ChatterPal on client websites and build a whole new recurring revenue stream for your business. We'll even show you how. You can access your ChatterPal secure dashboard on any device, including tablets and smartphones. It doesn't matter what kind of browser or device your visitors are using to access your site. Your ChatterPal agents will work seamlessly, no matter what. It's easy to add ChatterPal to any existing website. Just paste in a small snippet of code and it's ready to roll. There's so much more to cover about what ChatterPal can do, but we'd be here all day. So be sure to check out the rest of this page and get all the details. Then, click the button to take advantage of the incredible introductory low price. Back to you, Paul.
Thanks. You're going to want to check out this entire page and don't miss the other video below about our smart analytics. It's a game changer. And be sure to check out our very own ChatterPal agent along with demos of ChatterPal running on different kinds of websites so you can get an idea of how intuitive and versatile it really is. Understand that ChatterPal can do so much more than just boost leads or sales on websites or e-com stores. Hair salons and nail salons can use it to book appointments. Pizzerias can use it to take orders via their websites or mobile apps. Or doctors or dental offices can use it to generate more leads or to get patients' questions answered. And so much more. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, keep in mind that during the special launch period, you get unlimited access to ChatterPal. That means you can place ChatterPals on unlimited sites. And you also get the commercial license included for a low one-time price. That means you can install ChatterPal on client websites as well for sweet monthly fees. So be sure to take advantage of this right now while it's still available during this highly limited offer. Don't miss all the incredible bonuses that we're throwing in during this special launch period, including our special training with real-world case studies of actual businesses running it. The bonuses alone, plus the commercial license, are easily worth thousands of dollars. And if you take advantage of this right now, they're all yours for free. And as always, there's zero risk on your part whatsoever to give ChatterPal a full test drive because you're backed by our ironclad, no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. So check the rest of this page and grab ChatterPal at the highly discounted price while it's still available. This is Paul Pona, and I'm looking forward to helping you crush it this year.